Hi, it's Phil from Delphi, and today we're doing an unboxing video of the trailer kit, which is compatible with the DS480 and DS180. Let's take a look inside about what you get when you purchase this kit. So it comes in a rugged case, as you can see. And in it, we're going to get 6 cables. So you've got cables for trailers, which is going to cover Norbrems, Wabco, Haldex. There's a couple of cables in there for Haldex, depending on the type. And you're also going to get your ISO cable as well. This is the cable, of course, that goes in between the trailer unit and the tractor unit and enables communication through the standard 16-pin port. Now, the idea is this is to be used with the DS480 kit, which of course is 12 and 24 volt compatible. So this is only going to be for those extra trailers, especially the ones on this side, that you then can't access with the standard ISO cable. All of your cables are labeled here, exactly which cable is for which system. So whether it's the 7-pin NOR or the 4-pin Haldex, it's all labeled based on part number and picture, and that helps you to identify which cable to select. Now, the nice thing is that when you use the software, it will actually identify the correct cable for the application. So if you go into a Haldex ECU on a trailer unit, it will actually tell you the exact cable in the software to pick from your kit. Now, on the other side, what we've done is allowed space as you expand your kit, because we offer loads of different kits and cables. You can expand the kit, and then you can add those expansion cables in here on the right-hand side as you build your kit for the kind of applications which you need. So thanks for watching, and if you want to see any more videos on tips, then make sure to follow us on social media or check out our online Masters of Motion Hub. And if you want to see any further expert-led training courses, then visit our Delphi Training Academy. See you soon.